Hey there, crypto traders and investors. It's Rod with Pow Group. Welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth, your home for MJ stocks, crypto assets, news and interviews, also home to the best crypto community, and the channel that was created by a retail investor for retail investors. Today's Thursday, December 5th. Hope you're well. In this video, we're going to dive into the XDC price chart. There's a golden cross and the first ever bull cross on the monthly time frame lining up, which we're going to take a look at in just a moment, and we'll discuss the price action, what I think is going to be the most likely scenario in the days, weeks, months ahead. Before we get to it though, make sure to smash the like. It helps support me in the channel. If you're new, you can subscribe, tick the bell, you'll be notified on any future content or when I go live. And as always, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. You can follow us over on X as well. Handle for that is @GroupPow. Best way for me to get real-time updates out to the community. And just as a public service announcement, I want to remind everybody that their holiday special here at Tangem is still on. It's going until supplies last, so it could end today, tomorrow, next week, we don't know. But this is my favorite self-custody wallet, hardware wallet. If you're not using one, not your keys, not your crypto, right? And if it's on an exchange, they control the keys, so it's their crypto, right? This puts you in control, and it's the cheapest, easiest to use, most safe and secure. And like I said, they have this holiday special, buy one, get one, 50% off, and you can use code POW, P-O-W, to get 10% off additionally as well. So you can get a 3-card set. They have a dope new ring. You lose the ring, you have 2 cards. Lose a card, you have the ring and another card. Or you can get the 3-card set, 2-card set for a bit more cheaper option. So, and then you can get a 3-card set here as well, like I said, for 34 added on. So the best way to hold your crypto. Bitcoin eclipsed the coveted 100K mark. We hit about $104,000 USD. And we since sold off, and not surprising, a lot of traders likely playing a break of 100K and then selling off. We're just fizzling out here at the moment. We're back under 100,000, but we're going sideways. And if we continue to see Bitcoin dominance drop, which we are, it's actually a potential. I mentioned this in the Pow Group private community. It's a potential daily bear flag. So if we take a look at the daily time frame here and zoom in, and see here we had a high, low, lower high, very weak bounce. If we come down and lose 54.56, that confirms the daily bear flag, and would be targeting 50.72, which would mean alt season would go absolutely ballistic, including XDC. I think this is going to be the utility bull run as well, and I think we're going to have a massive bullish 3 months ahead, especially into the end of 2024 and into 2025. I think, probably February, March is when the alt season is going to stop, and we're probably going to enter a bear market on big tech and crypto, AI, etc. But as of right now, total 3 is a daily bull flag as well, targeting 1.42 trillion. Hasn't confirmed yet, but we'll continue to monitor that. And we broke to an all-time high. So this chart here is everything excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. We had an all-time high of 1.13 trillion. That was back in November 2021. We just hit 1.16 trillion. So this is new all-time highs. And like I said, this is great that Bitcoin broke 100K. I think we could see 110, 120 potentially on Bitcoin in the most likely scenario. And then probably over the next week or so, we'll top out, and then alts will go absolutely bananas. We'll see full-blown alt season. And then, like I said, I think that could last into the end of February, potentially March 2025. So this is a great sign. If we take a look at XDC here on the monthly time frame, we're seeing the first ever monthly EMA 12 and 26 bull cross lining up. It's very close to playing out. And we have key resistance here at 9.4 cents. On this bounce, we hit 8.8 cents. So not surprising that we're topping out just around there, but nice move here off of the lows. Most names, altcoins up 300 to 500% since the election in the US, and XDC is no exception. We're up over 300% in just a few months. So this is great to see. But really, from the low of November to the high of this month, we're up 235%. So this is awesome. And the fact that we're potentially seeing a monthly EMA 12 and 26 bull cross here over the next couple months, again, gives me confidence to think that we're going to see a massive move here. And like I said, these utility tokens, look at XDC, XRP, XLM, you've got your algos, you've got your H bars, right? These coins are going to absolutely skyrocket in value, in my opinion, because they've been held back the most, and they didn't really participate in the last bull market. And we had the meme craze going on in 2021, and I think the next trend is going to be utility tokens. So let's take a look at where we could potentially head into new all-time high territory. So the all-time high is sitting at 19.5 cents. We break that, we're in blue sky breakout, price discovery. And if we take a look at our fib tool, you just go from the swing high there to the swing low of the bear market. And you can use your Fibonacci extension levels as a nice target in a new price discovery type scenario. So I think the 2.618, the 3.618 is very doable. That would bring us up to around a 48 to a 66 cent XDC. And again, this is something BTC did. So if we go Bitcoin USD, and you see here from the high to the low of the bear market in 2019, from the highs of 2017, we actually passed above the 4.618. Same thing with Ethereum. It hit its 3.618, but I think it's entirely possible that we finally get to that 4.618 this cycle. That'd bring us up to around $6,000. And then if Bitcoin and Ethereum can do it, why can't XDC? So if we take a look at XDC, if we just do the 3.618 like Ethereum, that'd be 66 cents. And if we hit the 4.618, that'd be about 83 cents. I think, somewhere around this area is very doable this cycle. I think we could get somewhere around to, that 66 to 83 cent mark. But I wouldn't even be surprised if this thing got above $1 before all is said and done, like between now and the end of February and into March. Things can happen quickly in I've been seeing a ton of people commenting on my videos. I just posted a video here. If you go to my channel, I posted one on Stellar yesterday. I posted one a couple of days ago on Algo and HBAR, and people are telling me I'm out to lunch on Stellar and Algorand and HBAR, that these prices are not possible in the next 3 months. I can tell you, if you don't think it's possible, you don't know what crypto is all about. Look at Doge, right? Doge in 2021. Whoops, let me bring that up again. Let's just see how long it took. So from the low here, and we're seeing a massive upside here now, but that's not what we want. Let's go Doge USDT. Let's go on Binance. There we go. So if you don't think crypto can move that quickly, from March 2020 on Doge to the high of May 2021, so in 14 months or 426 days, it went up about 600%. Or if you just go from the low here of November 2020 to the high, it went up over 300%. And that was just in 6 months, right? So if it can go up that much, 300x in 6 months, something can easily go up, 100x in 3 months, or 50x or 10x or 25x, right? So again, XDC, I think, has the potential to go to $1 this cycle. And if that were the case from current levels, if we just go to $1 from the current level that we're at now at 7.5 cents, a move up to around $1 would mean about a 12x. That's very doable, especially with a monthly EMA 12 and 26 bull cross. We also have a golden cross with the 50-day that was below the 200-day moving average. Those cross bullish, and look at the upside that ensued afterwards. And then if we take a look here at the weekly time frame, we're going parabolic on the stochastic and the MACD on the weekly. You can see the 10-week moving average is just starting to go parabolic as well. And we already got our 50 and 100 weekly bear cross out of the way. Now we're potentially seeing a bull cross, which would only be the second in history. So like I said, things are going to get pretty nutty here with ETFs. You got crypto legislation. You got no tax on American cryptos. There's so many catalysts that are coming. It's not even funny. Multiple cases could be dismissed. We have a pro SEC chair coming in, and innovation really just ready to flourish. We got major banks and partnerships in the US as we get clarity in crypto legislation, stablecoin legislation, and the rest. We'll see what happens with this no tax crypto. Multiple companies are looking to add Bitcoin to their balance sheet. Michael Saylor's been talking to Microsoft, talking them to do it, right? So we could see the US, create a Bitcoin reserve and then other reserves potentially, like a basket through other cryptos. So it's going to be an interesting few months ahead. Like I said, I think, into the end of the year here and into the first or second, months, I'd say probably the end of February, if not the first or second week of March, is a good area to target for the end of this bull cycle. So going into there, let me know your thoughts and opinions. Let me know how high you think XDC can go this cycle. It's Rod with the Power Group. Thanks again for joining us in the pursuit of wealth, and we'll catch you on the next video.